Okay, so guys, if you are looking for free drum fill, for your Afrobeat Amapiano, you want an instant transition that you can actually pick and drop, then watch this video, because in today's video I'm going to give you a free drum fills pack. All right, so we're gonna use this particular free drum fill pack, and by the end of the video you have to know the password to unzip this particular file. If you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. That's crazy. Okay, so guys, let's check some of the 124 BPM under the Dabuka fills. Alright, so all you need to do is to drag and drop it, use it as your drum fill. Alright, so this 124 BPM, we're gonna set that. Super simple. Change it to song. This crazy. Moving on to the next one. Give the video a like if it helps you. Make sure you watch the video to the very end to know the password to unzip this particular file. That's crazy. This is super crazy. Like the video. Hey. You hear the vibes? This will be crazy for Afrobeat, Amapiano. Think of any drum fill that you want. That's crazy. All right. Let's listen to this. That's super simple. Let's move on to the djembe fills. All right, so listen to this one too. Give the video a like if it helps you. Aish, this is crazy. All right. So this one, the BPM is 122. Let's say that. This is crazy. Watch the video to know the password to unzip this particular file. Crazy. That's super simple. Move on to the next one. All right. Okay guys, let's check the timbres. That's super simple. So if you are looking for drum fill, just watch the video to the very end, and at the end you can actually download this for free. This is super crazy. Move on to the next one. Okay, so we also have the 124 BPM. Change the tempo to 124 like this. Give the video a like if it helps you. If you don't know how to use drum fill, I have a full video there. You can watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go back to my channel and watch how to use drum fills in your beat. And you can actually use this particular pack in any DAW. That's crazy. Alright, so guys, now that you've gotten this drum fills for free, watch the next video to know how to use drum fills in your beat. Now, if you have watched the video to this point, you have seen the password which has popped up on the screen. Just click on the link in the description box, do what is required from you, then after that enter the password that you saw on the screen, all right, whilst watching this video. So I told you don't skip any part of the video. If you don't see the password, then sorry, go back and watch the video, and at this time take your time. You're gonna see the password. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small,